Alright, I am going to do a short demonstration of my new nickel plating solution that I make and sell. Made from nickel salts, boric acid, some brighteners. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to the hydrochloric acid. I already degreased the part. I went into the hydrochloric acid in order to etch the part, and it kind of activates the metal. Rinse it kind of well. And this is reverse osmosis water. You can use distilled water or deionized water. Either one will work. Alright. Let's start with the voltage on 0. That way whenever I connect the negative lead to it, to the part that I'm plating, I can adjust the voltage directly. And I'm mainly looking for amperage. It's not, the voltage doesn't really matter. But I would like about 1.5 amps for this. The solution's heated up at around 140 degrees. Anywhere from 120 to 140 is good. I also make and sell electrolyte nickel plating solution. It's just a chemical reaction on the metal. There's no electricity involved. That's the benefits of that is it gets into all the small areas, cracks and crevices where the electroplating process won't, due to the current not being able to get in there. It's pretty much already plated.